welcome to today's video. Today is a short but sweet one. The living room is about to have a big makeover, and this is the starting point of that. So we are vacuuming the sofas. These sofas, I've mentioned so many times, drive me insane because they're blue and they're old, and it doesn't matter how many times I scrub them with a carpet cleaner, they're just always going to show up like 10 years worth of dirt. I mean, that's a bit dramatic. They are clean. Well, they're clean now, and they do get clean after a carpet clean, but then they get really messy so quickly with like mud and fur. We are hoovering the sofas and then taking off all the cushion covers, popping them in the wash, and then we bring out the Simplicity carpet spotter and give them a good scrub. So Menotti Covers actually sent me over these amazing sofa covers so that we can get rid of the blue sofas, and it means that I can actually decorate this living room because I do want to paint it and get some nice autumnal things to go in it and just get ready for winter and make it cozy, and also just hide the blue. At first I thought I liked the colour, but it's just a nightmare to maintain. So I've gone for these choco brown velvet covers. This was so easy to put on, and they do come with some cardboard, like almost like mini planks that you can put down the side to tuck in the sofa. And this will just make life so much easier when Coopers, come back from dog walks and just fur in general, and then they'll just be, easily washed in the machine. Moving on to the kitchen, it's just a quick spritz, and if you're wondering why the camera angles get a bit lower, my tripod broke, it smashed my phone. I am getting a new phone delivered later today, but my tripod broke as I was scrubbing the sofas. My phone smashed, the back of it's all smashed, and so yeah, I'm using a smaller, like a handheld tripod to film the rest of it, which is why they're a bit lower and a bit close up in terms of angles. So we'll just have to wait until I get a new camera, which I think it's now time that, like, it's a sign from my phone smashing that I actually need to invest in a proper camera to film videos with rather than using my phone, because yeah, smashing an iPhone is really not ideal, and then having to fork out for another one is also not ideal. But we're just going to scrub the kitchen, we're going to do a quick sink clean, wipe down the sides with some Acevi disinfectant, go with the Collado Hoover, and then give it a mop. And that's pretty much it for the kitchen before moving on to upstairs. And the last thing that we're going to do today is just change the bed sheets. Very quick and simple clean today, well, besides scrubbing the sofas and changing the sofa covers, but the rest of it was just pretty quick. And you'll have to excuse the state of me in today's video. It's just one of them days I did not want to clean, but I also wanted to get the house clean. So it's just one of them. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.